What is this about? What is this for? You could also replace this with it. I'll show you how to ask and answer both of these questions. What is this about? Or you can replace this with it. This question is asked for some form of entertainment. This could be for a book or a movie. And this question is also asked for some type of a problem or a situation. What is this about? This could be a movie or it could be a book. And in the answer, it's about a man who gets lost in the woods and survives several dangerous situations. This answers the question, what is this about? It gives an idea of what happens in the book or in the movie. Notice in the answer that the verbs are in the present tense. This is in the present tense, this is in the present tense, and this is in the present tense. When talking about a work of fiction or even nonfiction, use the present tense to talk about what happens in the story. You can use the past tense, but in most cases, you'll hear people use the present tense. What is the movie about? What is the book about? What is the video about? And when you answer, use it's. It's about, and then this is the topic. If it's one of my videos, then it might be an area of grammar. It's about the present perfect tense. That's what the video is about. It's about this. Or the question could be asked this way, what is this about? And it could be a serious situation. For example, the police want to ask us a few questions. That's why the police are here. And your question is, what is this about? Or you receive a letter in the mail and it's from the city that you live in. The city needs to replace our streets and sidewalks. That's what the letter is about. So when you ask the question, what is this about? The letter is indicating that this is work that needs to be done. So you could ask the question this way, what is the letter about? Or what is the email about? Or what is the message about? When the question is, what is this for? This is asked for the reason. Why does this exist? What is this for? Or you could also ask, what is it for? If it's singular. If it's plural, the question is, what are they for? Or what are these or those for? I just bought this at the store yesterday. It's a door closer. It's for keeping a door closed. That's what it's for. Or if it's a password, what is a password for? It's for securing an account. This is usually some type of online account, and it helps to secure your account. It provides your account with some security.
We have Congressman Chewy Garcia, Jan Schakowsky, and Mike Quigley.
Or if you happen to notice a large presence of police, what is this for, or what are they for? What is the reason they are here? I'm in Chicago at the No Kings rally. Quite a few people have shown up, as you can see over here. There's a gathering over in Grant Park, and then some police, not too many, over here. Everything's pretty calm. They are for, and then you can put some type of a gerund. Let's use providing. They are for providing security. This is one possible reason they are for providing security. Or if you don't know the reason why they are here, then you could say, no one knows. No one knows what they are for. Or you can use the word here. No one knows what they are here for. Or you could ask this question: who are they here for? And the answer, they are here for, and then this would be the person. They are here for the man who lives next door. This is the person they are here for.